The Institute of Technical Education, a research center Navsari in Civil Engineering Department. I am going to teach you the subject is design of reinforced concrete structure. In this subject, we are going to learn design of water tank. In the previous lecture, we covered on the ground water tank, and on the ground water tank, rectangular water tank design we started, right? So on the underground water tank, rectangular shaped water tank, we done L by B ratio less than 2. This design is completed. So in this lecture, we will go L by B greater than 2 ratio design, right? Design an underground water tank. Size 3 meter by 8 meter by 3 meter. Size is given 3 meter is width, 8 meter is length, and 3 meter is height. Of the following data, saturated unit weight of soil 16 kilonewton per meter cube, phi is equal to 30 degree. So water table can be raised up to ground level. So water table can be raised up to ground level means soil is saturated, and use M30 grade of concrete and M25 grade of concrete for the roof slab. So here is a two different concrete grade. First is M30 for the tank, M30 for the tank, M25 for the roof slab, and the steel grade is Fe415, and unit weight of water is 9.8 kilonewton per meter cube, right? Same example here. Now first of all we have to calculate L by B ratio. L by B ratio is 8.8 by 3, so 2.67. That means L by B ratio is greater than 2. L by B ratio is greater than 2. So long wall will be designed as a cantilever. Long wall will be designed as a cantilever, and a short wall designed as 1 meter bottom, which is designed as a cantilever. 1 meter, bottom 1 meter is designed as a cantilever, and the another top portion is designed as a slab supported on a long wall. Slab supported on a long wall. Two different design is, first is for the long wall and second is for the short wall. So first of all we have to step 1, design constant. We have to calculate sigma CBC, sigma ST from the IS 3370. I discuss everything, I explain all the data in the detail. Now M is equal to 20 by 3 sigma CBC is 9.33. K is equal to M sigma CBC divided by M sigma CBC plus sigma ST, so 0.418. J is equal to 0.186, and Q is equal to 1 half sigma CBC into K into J, so Q is equal to 1.80. Now design of long wall. We are going to design of long wall. Step 2. First assume a tank is empty for the pressure of standard soil from the outside. Saturated soil from the outside. So Pa is equal to Ka gamma dash into H. So gamma W into H. Ka is equal to 1 minus, so Ka is equal to 1/3. Gamma dash is equal to 6.2 kilonewton per meter square. 6.2 kilonewton per meter square. So pressure Pa is 63 635.6 kilonewton per meter square. So cantilever maximum bending moment at a base of wall. So M is equal to moment is equal to 1 half 35.6 into 3 plus 1/3 into 3. So 53.4 is the moment. Okay, so by the moment we can calculate M is equal to QBD square, so we can find out D equation. D is equal to 172.24 mm. So provided capital D is equal to 230 mm. So D is equal to thickness of long wall. Thickness of long wall is 230. So capital AST is equal to m sigma m divided by sigma STJ into D. So AST is a 244.7 mm square. Okay, so provided 20 mm dia at 220 mm center to center, right? Here is the design. Now we are going to provide a curtailment. We are going to provide a curtailment. So curtailment equation, we assume AST1 is equal to A1 half AST. So 50% reinforcement we provide. So after the calculation, we found the height is 6.62 meter from the base, and by the development length we provide 240 mm extra length of the 50% curtailment bar. So overall length is 1 meter from the base. Now we have to provide distribution steel. For the distribution steel, T is equal to 230. So minimum percentage of steel required 0.24 percentage. 0.24 percentage by the 0.24 percentage AST is equal to 0.24 divided by 100. So 552 mm square is a distribution steel, right? So is the thickness of each zone is 115 mm. So provided AST minimum for the one zone is 276 mm square. So provided 8 mm dia at 180 mm center to center in a horizontal direction on a both faces, right? Now assume a long wall. When we talk tank is full of water and no earth outside. So only water pressure we assume. So cantilever moment at the base of wall. So M is equal to 1 half 29.4 into 3. So 1/3 by 3. So 44.1 kilonewton into meter. So capital AST is equal to 2021 mm square. So provided 60 mm dia at 190 mm 90 mm center to center on a liquid phase in a vertical direction, and provide 50% curtailment of bar in height 1 meter from the base of wall. Now we are going to design long wall for the direct tension in a long wall. So what we assume? The water pressure acting on a short wall will cause a direct tension in the long wall, as the top portion of the short wall act as a slab supported on a long wall. So direct tension means, this is the equation, gamma W capital H minus small h. So 9.8. So 3 minus 1. So 19.6 kilonewton per meter square. These are the pressure on short wall, on the top portion, short wall. Now we have to provide this load is transferred as a tension. So TL is equal to P into B by 2. So by this equation, AST is equal to 558 mu square. So hence the distribution steel provided in horizontal direction will take a direct tension. So as we have provided distribution steel, it can carry a direct tension from the short wall, right? So this design is okay. So we don't have to provide extra reinforcement here. Now we are going to design a short wall. Now for the short wall, first we assume tank is empty, so pressure of the saturated soil is outside. So top portion H is equal to H by 4. So 1 meter design as a cantilever, while 2 meter act as a slab is supported on a long wall. So pressure at 2 meter from the depth of top. So PA is equal to K gamma dash capital H minus small h plus gamma W capital H minus small h. So moment at support is equal to PAB square. PAB square divided by 12, so 17.8 kilonewton into meter. This is a moment at the support, and as well as moment at the center is 13.35 kilonewton into meter. So AST at support is 816 mm square, and as well as AST at a mid span 611 mm square. So provided 10 mm dia at 190 mm center to center at the support, and provide 10 mm dia at 120 mm center to center at mid span. Now we are going to design a bottom portion of 1 meter height. So we assume bottom portion behave as a cantilever. So here is a pressure we have 35 into 6. So moment is 5.93 into meter. So AST is equal to 272. So AST minimum for the one zone is 276. So provided PT percentage is minimum. So AST, okay, so for the two zones, so provide 12 mm dia at 300 mm center to center up to 1 meter height, okay, in a vertical direction, right? Now we have to provide a direct compression in a short wall. So through the long wall bent as a cantilever, it observed that and 1 meter width of long wall contribute to push in the short wall due to earth pressure. So PS is equal to 23.73 into 1. 23.73 is a earth pressure on the short wall here. 23.73 is the earth pressure on a short wall, and this while also concrete can resist it, so we not have to provide extra reinforcement in a direct compression in a short wall. Now we assume a tank is full of water, no earth pressure outside. So top portion act as slab or supported on the long wall. Same design, same method, same equation, just change in the value of pressure. PA is equal to gamma W capital H minus small h. So same equation, PB square by 12, PB square by 60, and by this equation we can find out TS. Now one difference is here, when we assume a water pressure and no soil pressure outside, that time modify moment will use same equation, same method which we use in earlier example. So I don't explain what is how to calculate a moment, modify moment at the support and as well as in the center. So AST1 for the moment, same equation. AST2 provide 12 mm dia. Now we are going to bottom portion, same equation, just change in the PA moment, AST and 12 mm dia, 300 mm center to center. Now we are going to design a top slab, So since L by B, so he has designed a top slab as a one-way simply supported slab. So design a slab may be limited method. So depth is 150 mm. So loading is a self-weight, finishing and live load. These are the three loads is applied on a top slab. So self-weight of slab, thickness into density, so 0.50 into 25, and finishing is 0.5 and live load is 2. So total load is 6.25 kilonewton upon meter. So we calculate a factor load, then after a moment, M is equal to WL square by 8, so 10.5, so MUBD square by 12, so 0.73 is moment. So by the SP60 we found PT is 0.212 percentage. So AST is 360 square is minimum. So provided 10 mm dia at 210 mm center to center, distribution still minimum 0.24 percentage. So here our design is completed for the slab. Now we are going to design of bottom slab. Design of bottom slab, we assume a thickness 0.2, height is the pressure. So upward pressure when sandy soil is saturated, so gamma W into capital H. So bottom slab is to be projected beyond the wall, so soil pressure projector help to avoid floating in the tank. So let X, projection of base slab from the wall. So downward force, same example, same data, same value, just change in the value. Okay, same method. We use this method in the previous example. Same example, not a same example, same method. Okay, after the calculation projection, there is a total upward pressure we have to calculate, and of the uplift force on the bottom of base slab, and equivalent upward and downward force both. Hence provide x is 0.6 meter around. So in this example we calculate x distance. In the previous example we assume x distance. Now I am going to calculate what is x distance. I will explain what is x distance. In this example we are going to calculate x distance, which is here. This is projected area distance. In the previous example we assume this projected area is 0.3, but in this example we are going to calculate the x distance by a calculation. So let's show how to calculate this x distance. Explain what is the x projection. So weight of top slab is the same, weight of long wall is the same, weight of short wall is the same, but weight of bottom slab we assume x projection. So when we calculate a bottom slab, distance will be changed, the dimensions will be changed. So 8.46 plus 2x into 3.46 into 2x into 2 into 0.2 into 25. So weight of bottom slab we found in the x form. So 2x square plus 119.2x plus 146.35. Now we are going to calculate weight of soil on the projection. So gamma W into 60.3 into 48 kilonewton per meter square. But at the periphery of the base slab, so 2 into 8.46 plus twice into x as well as 2 into 3.46 plus x into 48. So value is 192x square plus 114.32x. 192x square plus 114.32. Now total downward force is a 19.76. So if we found all the value in x sense, in the x form, so 651.48 plus 1263.52 into 212x square. Now we are going to uplift force on the bottom slab. Same uplift force in the x sense, in the x form. So uplift force is a 125.44x square plus 747.62x plus 917.90. Now equating downward and upward force, we assume both force are in the same distance. Both upward and downwards are the same. So we assume this. After the solving this data, we found a x. Solving this equation, we found the x value is 0.478. So we provide x is equal to 0.6 meter all around. So now we are going to slab to be designed as a one-way slab. So self weight of slab directly transferred to the soil, and the upward pressure to be considered bending moment calculation is 26.36 kN square. Earth pressure at a base slab is Ka gamma dash into H plus gamma W into capital H. Same for the reaction of the wall, 1/2 into 35.6 into 3. So acting at the third base. Okay, now cantilever moment at the face of wall as well as cantilever moment as center of slab. Now we can design by these two moment. We discuss all these example as the same as the previous rectangular on the ground tank. Okay, same method. Look at here. We calculate the moment at a center, and then after a bending moment, by the bending moment, we have to provide a moment m is equal to qbd square. This equation we found the depth. Then after AST, so provide a 60 mm dia at 80 mm center to center. In the middle portion, we provide AST. Then after distribution still, so thickness is 250, so PT is 0.25, so AST 600 mm square. Now our design is completed, so we provide 8 mm dia at 160 mm center to center in the both faces in longitudinal direction. So our design is completed. Now we can draw a sketch here. Sketch here, students. Here is a 12 mm dia at 190 mm center to center, as well as 10 mm dia 120 mm, 12 mm dia 300 mm, 60 mm dia 120 mm, and 60 mm dia 180 mm, as well as distribution steel 8 mm dia 160 mm, 60 mm dia 120 mm. Provide a 300 mm depth, 250 thickness, and 150 thickness of the top slab. So our design is completed here. Now I give you one practice question. Fix the basic dimension of rectangular underground tank and design constant capacity 19,000 liters. Use M30 grade of concrete and Fe415 grade of steel. Take structure unit weight of soil 18 kilo per meter cube and phi 30 degree. Design a short wall. Design a short wall of water tank considering tank is empty and surrounding soil is saturated. So here is your practice question. So this lecture is completed here. So in the previous lecture, in the next lecture, we will cover a circular underground tank. Till then, take care and goodbye.